If you're new here, I'm Deb. Welcome. And before we get started, go ahead and like and subscribe because it sure helps. And you know, sometimes YouTube gets a little happy and you know, they start unsubscribing people that are still supposed to be subscribed. So you might want to check, make sure you're still subscribed if you haven't been receiving your videos. But anyway, I was watching TikTok, as one does. And I saw this, and I kept seeing it about Amazon $20 mystery boxes, and I'm like, yeah, right. So I get on there, and it's like $29. Well, close enough. And so I did a thing, and of course, if you got 4, you got like 20% off. So let's just do 4, and that'll give me 4 videos. Sure it does, because you know, 4 came in this little box. 4. So anyway, I paid $158 for this, and I wish I had screen recorded the video, and I'll either put it side by side here or put it picture in picture. I'll do something. I'm not sure what I can do right now because, you know, some new things are on my app, and I'm like, I'm trying to get adjusted to it, okay? I had to turn the volume off on this because they had background music, but they're basically, you know, telling you how great it is. So anyway, so I went ahead and ordered 4 of them, and they all came in this one. I said, well, I better even check and see if there's enough to do one video, because I doubt there's enough for one video there. As I do, as I have these conversations with myself all day long. And so I opened it up, and this is what I got. Now, this is for 4. So it was $158 with tax, shipping, and everything. Remember that. Come back to that. Okay. So, I got this first. And this, it says watch 8, whatever. I looked it up. Now, it's supposed to come with 3 watch bands, as you can see. It came with 1. It does have the charger. And it does have the watch, and it still had all the plastic on it. But I did take the plastic off the back so I could charge it just to make sure it was working, because I don't think it was working when I first got it. But as I see here, I could have charged it there too. I think. I'm not sure. But anyhow, I found it. And it's about $20-some. If it's all attached, well, obviously it's not. And in some of these boxes, you will get open box things, because it's just the nature of the beast. Okay, now, this is my second time recording this, because, well, first I was going to record it, and Jerry Wayne called and said, hey, I'll be over there in a little bit, which I know what that means. Don't even start recording, because as soon as you do, he's going to come. So I waited till he left, and I sat down, and I was going to record this. And I got it almost done, and my son called. And I tried to go answer it, and somehow everything I recorded is off. It's gone. It went poof. So here we are again. Okay. Then there's this, and it says Sonic Electric Toothbrush. This picture is only for reference, which I got the black. And it says X3. I don't know if that's the style or whatever, but there's 4 tops for this. And I was going to save it for the kids. And it works, you know, I was going to save it for the kids. But then it dawned on me, I can't do that because one of them will not be able to use it while they're waiting on the other one. It's just not going to happen. So maybe if I get another one down the line, maybe then I can do it that way. But for now, we're just going to slide this aside for now. Because, you know, it's... And then I got this. This is one of them 3-in-1 super fast charging, which... be honest, they're never super fast charging. Usually if they're a branch, that kind of makes them slower, but it could be. Who knows? And it shows you can use it in the office, in the household, on your game, whatever. And those go for about 15, 20 bucks. And then, so I'm thinking, oh my God, this is a loss. This is a loss. Okay. Then I got these. Now, if you don't know what these are earphones 2nd generation with a magnetic changing case. And they're by Apple. Apple. Here we go, Apple. And when did Apple quit putting their little logo on it? Because the other one didn't have it either. So I don't know when they quit that. Because it totally befuddled me. I was like, what is this? Is it just generic? What is it? And when I looked it up, nah. But I was happy with that because those are kind of expensive. I think the ones I saw, brand new in the box, were going for, what was it? Almost $200. Brand new in the box. So there's my money. Except for, I have another issue we'll discuss. And then I got this. This is a mini electric shaver, which I had out of the box once. You missed it because the first time around I shaved my chin hairs with it. But that's what it looks like. And it's just a small one. And then it would be really good for travel. And I was like, huh. You know, when I was first looking at it, I thought it was one of those for like your pills on your blankets and stuff. But it's not. This is a face razor. A man's face razor. That's what it says. Here, I got it. There, I got it. And it works all the way too, because we saw it with my chin. My chin hairs were going ding, ding. Works all the way. Do I need to do it again? See, there's nothing on there no more because I done took it off. I thought about hiding this in my purse. Menopause will do these things to you. It will do these things. Well, I will slide it back in here, but these go for, I believe it said 25 bucks on Amazon. So that's good. I probably can't sell that. And I was going to give it to Jerry Wayne. He was just here and he needed a shave. And I told him, I said, you need to shave. I said, your mom's going to make you shave. And he said, no, she gave up on it. And I thought, well, that's probably not nice of me pointing out his whiskers when he didn't point out mine. And he will. He'll reach right over and just, he does it and I look at him, you and I are way too close. That needs to stop. But anyhow, this was the last item. Yes, these are Apple headphones. Like I said, I don't know when they quit putting their thing on there. I don't know, but they are professional grade music sense of bass, thick and boring, medium frequency level, clear, high pitched. And my grandson says, I said, well, I don't know what I'm going to do with these because I can't put these in my store. I said, somebody will steal them. I said, you know, then that's a waste. He says, well, give them to me. As he always does. And I said, your birthday's not coming up. Now, I wanted to, and then I told him right after, I said, Caleb's is, so you know he's going to be, you know him. So anyway, yeah, these are more expensive than these. So these are like $250, close to $300. And I probably will put them back for Christmas. You know, I probably will do that. But I'm debating now because they got on there small, medium, and large on there. And I believe the medium is like $39. And then the large is like $59 or something. And I thought about going back because tomorrow's payday. And I thought about doing another one. And just doing the $59 one and see what I get. I'm confused. I'm amazed. I'm still going to do the other stuff too. But yeah, I was confused and amazed. And I thought, well, at the price, you can't really complain. So, yeah, of course, Daniel wants these for his video games. I know what he wants them for. And I don't know if I can wear these because I can't wear the big round ones, but I can usually wear the small ones, but I'm afraid if I wear them when I'm mowing that I'll lose them or mow over them. I did that before. So anyway, that's today's video. I got down below, I got the link for this place. So you tell me, what would you do with it? Bye. Hey, like, subscribe, do the YouTube thing. Well, people need love too. Bye.